guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am finally reviewing this Moods by Laura Sanchez, I think is what this brand is. I'm obsessed with this palette. I opened this in my Ipsy bag like for this month, January, and I'm like totally in love with this thing. I'm like really obsessed with the packaging. I'm gonna put these on really quick. I do have majority of my makeup on just because this is gonna be like a palette review. I didn't feel like putting all of this on just to review this, so it'll mostly just be eyes in this video that I'm gonna do because I'm gonna do this and then my eyeliner, mascara, and eyelashes. But that is everything that will be in this video. I'm so stoked to try this palette out. This is the colors in it, if I could hold this. So it's super cute. It has 2 highlights in it, and then it has those 8 shadows. So I'm gonna be doing a look with it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. We're gonna see if these like shadows are good or not. So I'm super stoked to see how well this palette goes on. But first, I am gonna do a highlight. I don't have any highlight on, and that is like a thing. I'm gonna do the pink one. I do like my highlight on before eyeshadow and everything. I don't know why, but I've always been like that. I like this color, it's really nice. I think it's going on nicely, actually. Can you see that shininess? See, we were missing my sparkle. It's too dull. Okay, so the highlight I do like. There is a little bit of fallout, which, I mean, that's normal, but I don't like messy palettes. If you've watched any of my other palette videos, I'm always cleaning the palettes because I don't like a mess. But we are gonna go in with, there's no names on these, got it? I kind of really like the taupe color in this, so I think I'm gonna start with that. So we're gonna go in with that color. We're just gonna see what that looks like on. We're using a like medium large fluffy brush. I'm just gonna put this in my crease. So far, it's going on really smooth. And the pigment is actually pretty good. Because I'm a very like light tapper into shadows. And I think that's going on actually really nice. So natural. I feel just so like naked looking. I'm about it. I actually rarely wear colors like this. I like them a lot, but I always go more with like a mauve pink color. Sometimes I'll put brown on, but I don't know why I have this weird like draw to those colors. But this is like really pretty, and it's like really like smooth and like subtle. So I am building it up just a tiny bit in color because the rest of this palette is pretty intense color wise. So we gotta have a nice good buildup of the base color, I feel like. Alright, so that is the taupey brown color. I really love this color, like a lot actually. The fallout, there's like no fallout, which is impressive actually. Like there's a tiny bit, but it's not anything crazy right here. But that just like wiped right away. Huh. I like want to put the pink and the yellow and the blue. I want to put them all on, but I cannot. I think I'm gonna go in with the pink, just like the normal like matte pink right there. And I'm gonna put this like in the corner. Wow. Do you see how much color just went on to my eyelid? That is amazing. So this fluffy brush is a little more condensed than the other one as well. And I'm just kind of like blending this into that like crease, like the super intense part of the crease. And then kind of feathering it out on the end into the sides and everything, so it's like all blending together all cute. Again, the fallout is not crazy on this, which is amazing. I'm here for it. So that is with the pink. Again, there's no fallout. What is this? And they blend really nicely together. Like, they're really soft. They're super pretty. Like, this is a really nice palette so far. I am gonna go in with like a flat brush. And I really want to use this yellow. Like, really bad. So I'm going to put that on my lid, I think. At least on the inner corner. These colors are just like so pretty. I'm just gonna kind of blend this towards the center and then up into the crease here. These colors are very, very pigmented. Like, I'm super impressed actually. So that is it so far. I like this makeup so far. The look is really cute. I think I'm going to, in the middle with the like white highlight here, I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of enhance the white that's already there. So it's just a little more present. So that is the look so far. And I'm going to go back in with that first brush and that first color and just kind of like redefine that upper color line because it's kind of lost right now. So just lightly going in. I'm just kind of getting a little bit of that nice taupey brown back in the look. I love this look. It's so soft and like pretty. And again, there's no fallout. Like, I'm like real close. Do you see this? No fallout. I haven't wiped or anything. That is pretty shocking, honestly. Like, I see one dot. Wow. Make sure we're not turning the inner parts of my nose yellow. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyeshadow look. I'm like super obsessed. It's just so soft and like, it's very spring. Apparently I'm ready for spring, I guess. But I mean, the colors in this, they're very bright and intense, so I don't really think you could, well, you could make some pretty cool stuff with the blue and the green and the purple. I might have to do another look with this palette just because I used most of the top colors and then the highlights. Alright, so now we're gonna do some eyeliner. This is where the softness goes to a little more bold. I'm trying to do a really soft amount of eyeliner. Just so it doesn't take away too much from the look. see if we can do it on the other side. We did it! It only took me 12 years. Alright, now mascara real quick. Alright, mascara on. It's so cute. I just love like the softness of it all. I need to glue on my lashes. I'm using the House of Lashes clear glue and the Lavaa lashes in Charm. I will do that really quick and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, my eyelashes are on. I am in love with this look. It is so cute. I don't even know how to feel about it. It's just adorable in my opinion. I need to start doing more palette reviews because it's getting me out of my comfort zone, I feel like, and I'm doing like super cute stuff because of it. So yeah, and I'm really surprised, like this palette is like really nice. Like the colors are really good, they blend really nice, they're very pigmented, they don't have a bunch of fallout, they have like barely any fallout, and they stay nice in the palette. I am literally, like seriously, I am so obsessed with this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna show you again. I'm so obsessed with this packaging. It is like the cutest packaging I've ever seen in my whole life. Like look at that. And our hair matches. Purple. This was supposed to be green. It's kind of blue right now, but green. We're twinning. Alright, I need to set my face really quick. Let's take off my little ears. Make a mess with my hair. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It's so cute! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. And I definitely recommend that palette. I will see if I can find it. If I can, I will link it for you guys to be able to get your own of it. I got it in my Ipsy bag, so I have no idea how much it is. I have to find it for you guys, but I will try to find this. I'm pretty sure it's going to be on laurasanchezmakeup.com because that's what the back says. So I will see if I can find it and link it for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm like so close to 200 subscribers. I'm like so excited about it. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and commenting. It means so much to me, and liking the video. Like, it means the world to me. So thank you guys so much. And comment below, tell me if you guys like this makeup look and if you are thinking about getting this palette or not. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!